So now up to this it is clear. We have to give the pulse where RB is at. That is the end point, and the maximum limit of this firing angle is 150. We are drawing this for resistive load. All right. Now let me change the view. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay. Now you can see. You can just write which are the thyristors are conducting. Which thyristors are conducting. Or it is better if you open another sheet which I have already given to you and draw the firing pulse for certain angle. Draw the firing pulse for certain angle. Let us open another sheet, please. This is the sheet you have. This is the sheet you have, and as very first exercise, first we will try to draw the firing pulse for alpha equal to 30. Alpha equal to 30 first we will draw. Let us draw this for RY. Let us take a single. So we have this is B phase, this is R phase, this is Y phase, this is B phase, this is R phase. Oh, now it is visible, I think. And don't get confused, sir, why you are not starting from 0? It's matter of where we are mistaking the pulses. I'm drawing this because we have to finally draw this. This waveform should look clear, right? To just show that this cycle, I am giving numbering like this. If you start from here, it will be R equal to 0, Vm sin omega t. R phase is given as Vm sin omega t, right? It is 120 degree left, and this is 120 degree lead. So this is RYB. Now let us draw for alpha equal to 30. We have to draw the pulses. As I have already told you, this is 0 for thyristor 1. This is 0 for thyristor 1. So this is TH1, TH2, TH3, TH4, TH5, TH6, isn't it? Let me accept 2 more person like Richard, Ritesh, and all. They are full of first order. They are doing me messages. I will teach you or see the message. Okay, fine. Let us start. So RYB is this, and TH1, TH2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are this. We have to draw for firing angle 30. We have to draw for firing angle 30. This instant is where R phase 0. This instant is 0, and we have to draw for 30 degree. So it will start from here. And up to what point, up to which point it will go? It will go where R is and ahead of 30 degree. Means it will end here. I suggest you please draw it yourself. Mridul, I think you don't have this sheet, right? If you have, you just draw. Huh? I will give you time. I'm doing this exercise so that you guys can make this independently without my help. It will start from here. It will start from here, 30 degree, and go up to this point. Clear? Now, each device will be triggered in their sequence with a difference of 60 degree. T1 is this, T2 would be like this. T3 would be like this. T4 would be like this. T5 would be like this. T6 would be like this. And after T6, T1. After T6, T1 with the interval of 60 degrees. So T1 will be start here. What we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 6 ja 80. That means for 180 duration, the pulse duration would be 180 degree. So 180 degree duration, there will be no pulse, right? Do it here as well. 2 to 4 to 6 means TS2 will be triggered here as well. It will be coming from the previous cycle, and this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is coming from previous cycle. Then this is coming from previous cycle, right? 2, 4, 6. It is coming from previous cycle. Now this will also coming from previous cycle 2, 4, 6, and it will end here. It will end here, isn't it? So these are the firing pulses. These are the firing pulses. ये कुछ लोग अपना वीडियो ऑन कर दे. मेरे ख्याल से आपके पास you don't have this sheet. Divyanshu is here. Divyanshu, Shweta, do you have sheet? Okay, fine. Divyanshu, you got the sheet?
Yes, sir.
Good. You just raise your hand, means your physical hand, so that I can see if your video is on. Right? Okay, good, very good. We are going very slow. Once we understand all this, then we can easily draw. We can quickly draw. Now, let us see which are the cases. What type of different cases are possible? Just this is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, let us see here. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Conducting. 3, 4, 5 conducting. 3, 4, 5 conducting. Here 4, 5, 6 conducting. 4, 5, 6 conducting. Here 5, 6, 1 conducting. 5, 6, 1 conducting. Isn't it? Just see. Then look at this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then here 1, 2, 6. Or you can say 6, 1, 2. 6, 1, 2. Then you have 5, 6, 1. Then you have 5, 6, 1. Then you have 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Then you have 3, 4, 5. Then you have 3, 4, 5. Then you have 2, 3, 4. Just see, is it the case or not? Let us make here as well. 2 to 4 to 6 means it will be here. So here you can see one more will be this 1 2. Am I audible? आवाज आ रही है भाई, चेक करके बताओ। बताओ जरा, आवाज आ रही है? हेलो, आ रही है ना? ओके फाइन। ये कुछ लोग गायब हो गए। ठीक 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 ठीक।
सर वीडियो क्लैरिटी हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा।
वीडियो क्लियरिटी नहीं आ रही है
सर, बहुत सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर।
बहुत ही खराब हो रही है।
किसी को
सर,
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? भरत
सर बहुत बहुत बेकार क्वालिटी है।
यस सर।
ये विजिबल नहीं है क्या?
यार
क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं खराब है।
वीडियो नहीं अच्छा आ रहा है।
दिखाई दे रहा है बट लिख नहीं पा रहा है, ऐसा विजिबल नहीं है।
रुको रुको रुको, ये जो वेव फॉर्म एक्चुअल बनी हुई है वो भी नहीं दिख रही है क्या? हेलो?
नो सर, वो दिख रही है पर ये जो लिखा है नोटेशंस वो दिख ही नहीं रहा है कुछ भी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक ठीक।
है बस
मेरी 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 बात सुनो।
सर जब आप बता रहे हैं तो वो दिख रहा है, उसके बाद समझ नहीं आ रहा।
नहीं नहीं, तो आप बना रहे हो ऋचा, इसीलिए तो मैंने आपको कहा था कि मतलब शीट लेकर के बैठो।
यस सर, बना रहे हैं।
हाँ, ये देखो, एक तो ये बार बार लोग आते रहते हैं। आपके पास अगर शीट होगी, कोई एक लड़का जो है, मतलब लड़का या लड़की कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट, वो अपना माइक अनम्यूट करके रखो ताकि हम लोगों का कन्वर्सेशन हो जाएगा। तो आपकी तरफ से वो रिप्रेजेंट करेगा और मेरी तरफ से तो मैं हूँ। राइट वैशाली, थोड़ा सा
सर ये बनाया था मैंने।
हाँ, यही बनाना है, बिल्कुल सही। एक बार ना, अब आप अपने पास शीट लेकर के बैठोगे तब ये बिल्कुल साफ दिखेगा। राइट?
ये सर शीट थी तो आपने जैसे बोला था वैसे वैसे बना लिया है।
बिल्कुल। तो आई बिलीव।
हेलो?
हाँ हाँ, आवाज आ रही है ना तुम्हें? हेलो?
यस सर।
ठीक। तो मैं एक बार
सर
फिर
आवाज आ रही है, आवाज आ रही है।
ओके फाइन फाइन फाइन। मैं इसको एक बार फिर थोड़ा सा डार्क करे दे रहा हूँ। अभी ये एक किसने कंप्लेन करी थी, एकता या ऋचा में से कोई एक जो है वो मेरे को
तो दिख रहा है, अब दिख रहा है।
दिख रहा है ना? वेरी गुड वेरी गुड।
यस सर।
ठीक 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 ठीक। सो जस्ट a minute, let me, okay. You can see I am telling the number right from beginning, right? I am telling the number right from beginning. You can notice from starting it is 2 3 4, then 3 4 5 2 times, then 4 5 6 2 times, 6 5 1 2 times, then 6 1 2 2 times, then 1 2 3 2 times, 2 3 4 2 times, then 3 4 5 2 times, 4 5 6 2 times, 5 6 1 2 times. Is it okay? Okay, fine. So Richa is saying okay. So I believe that everybody understood what I am doing. Should I stop for 1 minute so that you can everyone draw these component, or everyone has already drawn? कोई भी आप में से बता दो। या दिव्यांशु?
सर
टाइम अच्छा हो गया क्या? अबे एक तो यार अब बनानी पड़ेगी दोस्त, नहीं तो फिर ये रोज चल जाएगा है। हालांकि वो 1:30 बजे, चलो अब करते हैं जल्दी से है। नाउ you just see 5 6 1 is conducting. After that the first one is 1 5 6, जो पहली बार 5 6 1 आया, उसके बाद देखिए सिचुएशन जो 5 6 1 है। Is it possible there is 5 6 1 conduct? See, these are the waveform. These are the waveform. These are the waveform. Do you think 5 6 1 at this instant conduct? 5 6 1 conducting, it means Ry as well as Rb must be positive if 5 6 1 are conducting. 5 6 1 if 561, if you remember that circuit, let me show you. Wait a minute.
एक मिनट यहाँ पे
This,
561 है
this, you just see this.
इसे थोड़ा बदलो।
You just see this. 5, 6, and 1 are conducting. 5, 6, and 1 are conducting. Right? 5, 6, 1 are conducting. It means what? Just see this circuit. 1, 5, and 6 are conducting. 1, 5, and 6 are conducting. When it is possible? It is possible only in the case when R and B both are positive. See this figure. If 5, 6, 1 are conducting, it means this R, Y, because 5 is where? 5 is connected with B phase. Look at this. 5 is connected with B phase. Means R and B, these two phase must be positive. If 5, 6, and 1 is conducting, 6 is negative, so it is okay. R and B has to be positive if 5, 6, 1 are conducting. Am I right, Pratik? Okay. So you just see at here 5, 6, 1. If you see, this cannot conduct because B phase is negative. B phase is negative. If B phase is negative, that means 5 cannot conduct. Isn't so? 5 cannot conduct. Just see before this, means when this 5, 6, 1 comes first time, very first time, B and R phase has to be positive. Here it is fine, it is fine. R is positive as well as B is positive, so 5, 6, 1 all can be conduct. All can be conduct, no issue at all. Means here is a case when all are conducting, all conducting. Clear? There is also case when 1 and 6, that means only two phase conducting. The same type of situation you will get several times. Just look at 1, 2, 3. You just pick any combination, any second combination. For example, 1, 2, 3 is coming twice, 2, 3, 4 is coming twice. You just forget the first one, you just pick the second one of any combination. You will notice if 1, 2, 3, let us consider 1, 2, 3. If 1, 2, 3 are conducting, it means what? 1 and 3, RY has to be positive. RY has to be positive if 1 and 3 are conducting. You just see, R is negative. No, so 1 cannot conduct. Only 2 phase will conduct, and here all 3. Here all 3 will conduct. Isn't so? Everywhere you will find this. Everywhere you will find this. There is a possibility when 2 phase conducting or 3 phase conducting. This is the possibility. Fine. So we can say your 3 phase AC regulator has these type of possibility. I am going to draw it for you. If it is not visible, please let me know. The first case, all phases are conducting. R by B. All phases are conducting. All phases are conducting. Right? Second case, 2 phases. Let us say these are R and Y. R and Y are conducting. It is like this. It is like this. Clear? This point is N, but the third, that is B, it will not conducting. It will not conducting. So R and Y is, these two phases are conducting. Now, it may possible, it may possible that R or B are conducting. R or B are conducting. Right? We have to find out what should be the phase and line voltage. What should be the phase and line voltage? So in this case, what would be the phase voltage? Phase voltage would be VORN would be how much? Can anybody tell? Okay, first I'll tell you. It would be VRY by 2, isn't it? YRY by 2. Fine. It would be this. When all phases, all three, phase voltage VORN would be how much? It is as VR. And line voltage VRY is equal to VRY because all phases are conducting. When R and Y is conducting, phase voltage is RY by 2 and line voltage VORY is equal to VRY. When YB is conducting, RB is conducting, then VORN is equal to half RB. Of course, half of VRB. Half of VRB. Whereas output voltage VRY. What it would be? What it would be? If R and B are conducting. R and B are conducting, then it would be half of, sorry. We have to find out half of RY. Find it. Half of RY you have to find out. This is your Y phase. This is your Y phase, which is not conducting. And you have to find out voltage between these 2 points. You have to find out voltage between these 2 points. So, what happened? When VR is conducting, Y will not conduct and you will get the voltage. How much? It would be half VRY. Half VRY. This voltage you will get. Right? But Y is not conducting. What would be the voltage? This voltage would be how much? This voltage would be half of RB. This complete voltage, this is conducting, this is RB. So this point is half of RB. And you have to find out this voltage RY. You have to find out voltage VRY. It is equal to how much? Can anybody tell? How much is the voltage you will get? Mind it, Y phase is not conducting. Y phase is not conducting. In that case, what you will get?
half RB, half VRB.
Huh?
VRB.
Is it possible? Is it possible? RB means, is it possible current is going like this? Just think. If it is like this, it means what? From B phase, there are two devices. There are two devices. That means TH2 is conducting. TH2 is conducting. TH2 is conducting. It will go from 1 and return to this. Return to this. So positive, it will not be the positive voltage. Right? It will not be the positive voltage. We can write it here as we have drawn this table. When all phases are conducting, phase voltage would be VRN and output line voltage is VRY. We are measuring this voltage, RY. We are measuring this voltage, right? When RB is conducting, when RY is conducting, the phase voltage is VRY by 2. VRY by 2. And the line voltage is VRY. And when YB is conducting, means R phase is not conducting. R phase is not conducting. If R phase is not conducting, phase voltage is how much? R is not conducting. Phase voltage is 0. Phase voltage is 0 when R is not conducting. What would be the line voltage? R is not conducting, YB is conducting, means YB is conducting. Whatsoever the potential of this point, that will be a pair. It is equal to V BY by 2. Line voltage. This is not conducting. Whatsoever the potential, these two phases YB are conducting, na? So it is a half of this, and the net potential between this point and this is equal to half of VY by 2. Fine. The total voltage, this is YB, this is half of this, so it is VB by 2. Clear? Similarly, when BR is conducting, then phase voltage is half VRB as well as line voltage is also equal to half VRB. Which line voltage? RY line voltage. In this case, Y is not conducting. So whatsoever the neutral point potential, that will be the voltage between the RY. Look at this, which we are trying to understand here. Only RB is conducting. So this potential is how much? RB by 2. This is RB by 2. Y is not conducting. So this potential is how much? If there is no conduction, whatsoever the potential is here, the same potential is here. So difference VRY is equal to this point potential and this point potential, which is equal to half RB, And when none means none of the line is conducting, in that case, phase voltage is 0, line voltage is also 0, isn't it? Phase voltage as well as line voltage both are 0. Fine. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. किसी को भी कोई भी तरह का डाउट हो तो आप मेरे से अभी पूछ लो. You can ask me if you have any doubt. Nobody is raising hand. So Prakash is there. Okay, fine.
Graph.
Prakash, do you have any doubt?
ग्राफ बनाने में डाउट
Ah,
सर,
Pardon?
ग्राफ बनाने में डाउट थोड़ा हो रहा है.
नहीं ग्राफ नहीं बनाना अभी बेटा. ये यहाँ
ग्राफ
तक.
ग्राफ बनाने में डाउट हो रहा है.
ओके, मैं व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आप अभी तक तो कोई डाउट नहीं. हाँ,
सर ये तो समझ में आ गया जो
बस
ग्राफ
ठीक.
पहले बनाया
नाउ
था.
ओके. अब ग्राफ अभी नहीं बनाना. ग्राफ मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ फॉर वेरियस फायरिंग एंगल. यू जस्ट वेट है एंड म्यूट योरसेल्फ. ओके, नाउ आई शो यू द ग्राफ फॉर वेरियस firing angle. Just after 15 July. Just a minute. I share you the screen. Fine. Now we have to draw the graph for various firing angle. First of all, we will draw for 30 degree, right? Because that we have this we have, you can see now for firing angle 30. A screen is visible to you. Everyone can see the screen. Screen is visible. Okay, now you can see the graph. You can see the graph. This we have already drawn. This we have already drawn. Those who are saying we are unable to watch this screen, now they can easily see. This is the firing angle 0, and for 30 degree, we start first here, and it should be end after 30 degree of where our phase ends. So it is like this. Wherever I have put this circle, it means those devices cannot conduct. Those devices cannot conduct, right? So we have this type of situation. This type of situation. Now I have given you the this table. I have given you the table, right? Whenever you just note one thing, one more thing in the screen. Let me change the video. See, you just draw, you just write one more thing, that is whenever T1 and T6 conduct, VRY is positive, right? T1, T2 conduct, VRB is positive. When T1, T2, T6 conduct, VRY and VRB has to be positive. These are the situation on the base of these two, means this and this. We will draw, this table. Based on this table, we will draw the graph. Right now I am going to share the screen for various firing angle.